Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through how to join a GWPro.io VR training session as an observer. Step 1. Check your internet connection before we begin. Make sure your Wi-Fi is active and your device is connected to the internet. Next, launch the GWPro.io app from your library. Our multiplayer platform supports cross-platform compatibility, so even if your menus look slightly different depending on the device, that's perfectly fine, everything will still work. Step 2. Confirm license and module access. Once the app is open, your license will be verified. You must have an active license to participate. Also, ensure the required training modules are fully downloaded on your device. This is essential for accessing multiplayer mode. Step 3. Connect to the classroom now. Tap Connect to Classroom. You'll need a PIN code from your teacher to join. This code may be shared verbally, via chat, or through any convenient method. Note, if you're joining as an observer, your PIN code will always end in a 0. Step 4. Enter your name in the next screen. Enter your name or a nickname. This is how others in the session will identify you. Now, wait for the connection to be established. In most cases, this happens quickly, but depending on your location and network speed, it might take a moment. Once connected, you'll see the list of participants. For example, Justin is the teacher, Dan is the player, actively participating in the simulation, and I'm the observer, watching the scenario unfold. Tap Continue to enter the session. Step 5. Participate as an observer. The teacher will begin the learning mode, and as an observer, you simply press Continue to join. If at any point you don't see any names in the participant list or see a reconnect button, press it to re-establish your connection. Now you're inside the simulation environment. As an observer, you'll watch the player go through the training scenario. The teacher can use a laser pointer to highlight key objects and areas within the scene. The teacher can also teleport all observers to specific locations, ensuring you always have the best view of the action. So don't worry, if you get left behind, your teacher can bring you along. And that's it. You're now fully set up as an observer in a GWPro.io VR training session. Enjoy the experience and stay engaged as you learn by watching real-time actions and decisions.